In this video, 3-5, we will be looking at equations, tables, and graphs. By the end of the video and work time in class, you should be able to say, I can use tables, equations, and graphs to solve problems. A solution is any ordered pair that makes an equation true. For example, y is the same as 3x, which means y is the same as 3 times x. If we take this ordered pair, 2, 6, remember 2 is our x, that would be our x coordinate, and the 6 is our y coordinate. If we replace those numbers in this equation, y, which is 6, equals 3 times x, which is 2, that is true. We know that 6 is the same as 3 times 2. So that means 2, 6, that ordered pair, is a solution to the equation y equals 3x. A linear equation is an equation that has all of its solutions lie on a line. Dog food is $4 per bag. You buy 1 bag per week. We're going to make a table for number of weeks and the cost of the dog food. For 1 week, it would be $4. For 2 weeks, $8. For 3, $12. For 4, $16. So we see what we're doing is 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16. So you take W, the number of weeks, multiply it by 4. So 4W would be an algebraic expression representing our relationship. So our equation would be the cost is 4 times W, the number of weeks. We're going to take the equation here in number 2, y equals the opposite of x plus 3. When that negative sign is in front of the x, that means the opposite of x. So we're making a table, and then we're going to graph our solutions on a graph. So we're going to replace the x with 0. The opposite of 0 is 0, and 0 plus 3 is 3. Replace the x with 1. The opposite of 1 is negative 1, and negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Replace the x with 2. The opposite of 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. And then replace it with 3. The opposite of 3 is negative 3. And negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Now we're going to graph these ordered pairs. 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 0. Connect them. You can see that is a line. Y equals the opposite of x plus 3 is a linear equation. Can you say I can use tables, equations, and graphs to solve problems? Here is your output. We have the membership at a video store costs $5 per month plus $1.50 to rent each movie. You're going to graph the linear equation y equals 5 plus $1.50 times x, where y represents the total cost in a month and x represents the number of movies rented each month. So I helped you set up a table. You're going to be putting in the number of movies and then the cost and then graph those ordered pairs. We will go over this in class. Be prepared with any questions for that work time in class tomorrow.